Hello, welcome to idsTAG. This is Mitch Koffel. I'd like to show you the material test report portion of our Trace It Plus system. We're still going to focus on the pipe, valve, and fitting industry. Once you have produced a casting, it's time for machining, assembly, and testing. Oftentimes it's necessary to integrate or assemble final products using more than one distinct heat number due to the complexity of the product or the pouring methodology. Your final product may have multiple heat numbers on the final assembly. You may have multiple foundry sources, or you may have a complex assembly like this one with multiple components, each component having multiple heat numbers. In the past, this presented a huge problem in securing correct data for use in material test reports. But now, this is no longer an issue. I'd like to take you to the idsTAG Trace It Plus material test report system. You can now easily convert these various distinct heat numbers into one final material test report. Let's look at this in our live web-based database. We can come in and we can look at a particular MTR or material test report. And on this material test report are several areas and several sections that we'll review briefly. We have a pressure test area, we have an inspection area, and off to the right we also have an area that links into your existing ERP system. So if you need to pull in a customer name, customer number, purchase or sales order number, or a description, something of that nature, we can link it into our system. This is a relatively simple MTR. We have two components, a body and a bonnet or cap. You can see here that we've got a material code. You can also see that we have a heat number. As we get into the details, in this section here, you have chemical composition, and over here, physical properties. What we've also done is not only list the exact value from the particular test, but we've also listed the minimum and maximum values so that you can tell if this product meets specification. There's also an area down here at the bottom where your engineering group can perform their signature and their certification stating that they've reviewed this particular product and it does meet the specifications. So as we've seen, the idsTAG Trace It Plus system pulls the original secure information containing all of the chemical as well as all of the physical characteristics of the original foundry pour into one certifiable MTR report and links it back to the original order that was used for the final product. This includes all special comments and customer requirements. So when you need product traceability, insist on the best. Insist on the idsTAG Trace It Plus solution for your product needs.